Optimizing linear motion components for peak efficiency. Even the most advanced linear guide systems cannot achieve smooth, efficient, and precise motion without proper alignment. Imperfect or imprecise alignment can significantly reduce efficiency and potentially lead to system failure. Therefore, precise alignment is crucial to ensure the exact calibration of linear guides, screws, and associated components tailored to the specific system and application requirements. Each application demands a unique level of precision. The operating environment of the linear system also plays a pivotal role in determining the necessary alignment specifications, as certain conditions can pose more significant challenges. This precise alignment helps to minimize backlash and enhance the overall accuracy of the system. To achieve optimal alignment, especially in complex systems with multiple linear motion components, specialized alignment tools are often employed. Careful mounting of the linear guide is of utmost importance during the implementation of linear systems. Proper alignment not only maximizes performance but also extends the lifespan of the linear guide system, ensuring reliable and consistent operation.